How can you do your bit to save trees? Do you know the amount of paper we use in our day-to-day life? From newspapers, notebooks, novels, tickets, and you can name so many more. How is paper made? What goes into the making of paper? It would amaze you to know that it takes 17 fully grown trees to make 1 ton of paper. Can you imagine how much time it takes for 17 trees to grow to their full length? It takes many years to grow and takes hardly a few hours to convert them into sheets of paper. Papers are used for a single use and then are discarded. They are found in either a waste paper basket or landfills. It is such a pity that the fully grown trees are reduced to garbage. How can we avoid this? The truth is that a single sheet of paper can be recycled and reused for about 6 to 7 times over. Just like water, we should also look at ways of recycling paper. There are huge factories now which have undertaken the noble purpose of recycling waste paper. Do you also know that the bagasse of sugarcane is now used to make paper? If we can think of alternatives like this, it will surely go a long way in saving trees. Recycling of paper will also save the amount of energy and fuel used in making paper as well. What about the best way of undergoing deforestation? It's called reforestation. If deforestation is cutting off trees, then reforestation is planting of trees. Yes, but though this may seem easy enough, it requires a lot of effort. A land that is cleared of trees will only get back to its former state when it's replaced with trees. However, care must be taken that the plants of the same species must be planted. The soil has nutrients that are suitable for the particular species only. The climatic conditions are also conducive to these species. Therefore, it's advisable to regrow plants of the same species. Are you aware of a process called as natural reforestation? Well, in the cases where trees have been cut down only for timber and the roots are left intact, these trees will grow back on their own. This can only happen if the land has not been used for any other purpose. However, all these measures are time-consuming. Either way, they require many years to get back all the lost trees. The best measures would be to reuse the paper and other resources we have, recycle whatever is possible, and reduce our needs and wants. This would surely ensure proper conservation of both plants and animals. Each individual needs to take efforts to save nature. Only when we decide together as a whole will the earth see a miraculous change and we shall live again in a clean and green environment.